Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would like to show you really something. Jaeger LeCoultre, and look at this. Here is the master control, and why I think this is so special is the elegance in design. Look at this, there's so much going on, and still it's elegant, delicate. Here, of course, power reserve, the day, the month. It's the pointer date, it's the moon phase and the seconds, and still the dial is, well, as a design, so elegant and nice. Even if you look at the movement, there it is. Now we're looking inside. Look at this. The full gold case, and here you've seen it before in top watches, of course automatic winding, so the rotor is moving around, but to move around it's got to have some weight, and here the outside of the rotor is 22 karat gold, because of the weight, and the weight on the outside is making the movement. So not because gold is valuable, but just because of the properties of the metal. And everything is so well designed, well made. Côte de Genève in circular motion. Beautiful amplitude. Blued screws. And here the linear graining on the details. As a watch, I think this is understated, but in a technical sense, it is so well done. Don't you just love the model? Hey, see ya. Bye-bye.